Bonafide Hustler here. E-Money here. Today we're at the San Diego swap meet. We are like live in the Cheddar. So we're gonna take you with us. Let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the San Diego swap meet. We're chilling here live. Decided to do a spontaneous video. We're gonna try to find some good cheddar here. We're gonna show you what we find, and we're gonna show you the swap meet, which is really important. Don't forget to subscribe and get the free guide so you can know some good things to thrift on the cheap, or find at garage sales or swap meets, and you can sell it for profit. Ooh, look at all this good stuff. So the swap meet, kind of like an antique mall, has a bunch of vendors. They pay a daily fee for a space, and you bring all your stuff here to sell. And it's magnificent. And it's just rows and rows and rows and rows and rows and rows of stuff. So we're gonna try to find some cheddar today. That's the goal. I got my bag around my shoulder. We're gonna see if we can find some good stuff.
It's all over the place, but we want to find like the real unique stuff.
You see that, E-Money? That's good. We live in Texas. We need this. What are you seeing, man?
Yeah, it's kind of interesting.
Might get it?
I don't know. Could be very interesting.
Techniski,
not on there.
I mean,
if you look at
it looks like the front truck is not even stuck on it. But I mean, you can ask whatever you want on eBay.
I know.
If no one's buying it, it's a different story. What is the underside? Two totally different trucks that don't come with it.
Yeah, this one's legit. That one's not.
Oh yeah. That's good. Let's see.
Yeah.
You want to do it?
How much are you asking for this?
20 bucks. All right, we're gonna go spin around. Is there any chance you're around 10 or 15 or not? If you are, then we'll stay here. But if not, it's all good. Like the price, like we're around. No, like we're gonna spin around. But if you're around the 10 or $15 range, I might be here. I mean, I'm here now, man. You want to do 15? You want to split?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, we'll do it. So the first cheddar of the day is a Techniski. You can kind of see it in there. It's some sort of like sit-down skateboard thing, something like that. I don't know. I'll do more research later. They got a lot of good stuff, man. We don't have like an infinite way to take it home. They got good stuff, that's for sure. TMNT people. 2004. This looks like a reissue. It's like a Krang of some sort. I want to see how much this is. The snake belt is really awesome. Yeah, that's cool. 25? Okay. I don't want it for 25, but it's pretty cool though. E-Money, was that awesome?
Yeah, that's incredible.
Do we need a snake belt? You tell me. I don't know. We'll see. How much is this?
Must be 40 bucks.
Oh, 40 bucks? Okay.
The key is inside.
Okay, it's okay. I want to find some bags to box for real. There's so much good swag here. Look at all the cool swag in the back. I see a Raiden. I see a Raiden, E-Money. I see a Raiden. You see the Raiden? See, you got little Lego hustlers right here. Emerson, dead ahead. Iceberg, dead ahead, E-Money.
Cheddar, dead ahead.
Buckles.
I know.
Buckle Nation. The rope? You want the rope so bad?
Remember last time?
Didn't we buy rope here?
No, it was in Austin, but we had.
Yeah. I mean, it sold for like 40 bucks. It's kind of like a heavy thing to bring over there. What size? Those are super awesome.
Large. 9 to 11.
Those are so good.
Oh yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, 120.
Oh yeah.
So weird.
Looks strong.
I got him that way.
All right, so from the booth down there, picked up this vintage Stealth Fighter 1993 shirt. Pretty sick. This was 10 bucks. It's pretty nice, but look at the front is just the best part. Size medium. think on eBay this is about 30 to 50 bucks. But in my booth it's about 30 bucks all day. It's pretty nice, I like it. So that was one of the purchases. We're still looking around, so let's keep looking. There's definitely some cool stuff here, look at that. They want market price for it.
Oh, wonderful.
They're watching people playing in the fountain.
Yeah, those are all the bear flexes. Those aren't that worth anything.
哎，今天人少是吗？
The twin jets. Remember these?
Yeah.
I don't know how much they are. How much? 30, okay. Nope. Tons of shoes. All right, picking up these Nintendo Vans from this guy for 25 bucks. These are pretty cool. All right, you got a pair of Hokas?
Yeah,
Okay,
Bonnie
which
6.
some Bondi 6s?
Yeah,
Dang, how much?
15.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty much nubs.
Everything.
15. How much can you sell them for?
90 to 100.
Nice.
Yeah.
There's some deals here. We're like zooming through because our parents are here too, so they're zooming through and we kind of gotta keep up with them, you know? We're finding some serious deals. Those Nintendo Vans are crazy. So we'll see. I'll look them up later. It's probably I could wear them for a while and sell them for 80 later or something like that. Pretty awesome. All kinds of vintage stuff here.
But don't take our word for it. Find Monster Presents Insomniac on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your...
So looking around, strangely enough, I'm actually looking for a certain skateboard, a certain surfboard, and a couple other things, but some good deals here, that's for sure. San Diego Swap Meets a Saturday and a Sunday. Saturday and Sunday you can come here. It's pretty good on Sunday, as we have figured it out.
Even for a rash guard.
A rash guard is what you want?
Yeah.
No, that's not good. How much? Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Some Tom Ford sunglasses. I wanted them, but not for 120 bucks. E-money, you take the bag for a while.
Hey,
It's a big bag, dude.
It probably has like.
Are your knees buckling yet? Not
30
yet.
pounds in it.
Are your knees buckling yet?
No,
They're not buckling yet?
Not yet.
Okay, not yet. Okay. Putting some stuff in this bag, guys. If you're liking this video, make sure you hit the like button. Gotta find some more deals. Fosgate amps. Any money you want them? No? All right. Oh, Castle Grayskull. Cool. Castle Grayskull. There you are. So I was haggling down this. $45 Pendleton bag. It's pretty cool. Looks pretty nice, huh? Got it down to 25 bucks. Pulled the trigger on it. Needs a little zipper repair, but it's not bad. Probably go get 100 for it pretty quick. Look at that Pendleton. Dang, that's sick, huh? $10. Sealed. 8 of them. Each of them yields around $6 on FBA, 99 rank in what, audio electronics or something like that. Not too bad. Good spotty money.
Yeah, no.
That was good.
Dude, that was like $45, $50 fine right there.
Yeah, that was good. Funny anything?
Maybe.
E-money's kind of looking for a motorcycle jacket because E-money recently got a motorcycle. Haven't found a motorcycle jacket yet. Looking at boots. Looking for some really good stuff to take back to Austin, but nothing's like super striking me yet. There are a lot of things here that I would pick up, but they're kind of on the bigger side. So I know E-money and I are going to go thrifting maybe Monday or Tuesday in Encinitas. So I want to save up kind of my space for that too. I found some good things. Let me get this freaking awesome bag right here. That's pretty sick. Cool boots. These look like Borns. What are these things? These Borns are Uggs. Ugg, leather, probably real, maybe not real, who knows? Hard to say. Oh, it's pretty cool. How much?
$10.
10?
Yeah.
$10 for Ugg boots? Oof, this is hard to pass up. But I think they're real. Pretty sure they are. These guys up. Putting them into Pendleton. Got some Ugg leather high boots. We're about to be in winter time, so that's the play here. Is that it is the heat of summertime in Austin, but it doesn't matter. I'll list these. About 2 months they'll be gone. Paid 10, hoping for about 80 bucks, something like that. Look at this case and look at the stickers on it from back in the day. That is so cool. So I forgot to end this video in California, but you can imagine what the swap meet really is like in real life. I tried to put as much raw footage in there for you guys as possible. It was really hot that day too, but it still doesn't overshadow the fact that it is a great place to make some money. If you're in the San Diego area Saturday or Sunday, go check out the swap meet, Kobe's swap meet off of Sports Arena Boulevard. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.